Good morning, class. This is the program that we're going to be using to emulate the way that the Bebot will be moving when we use them tomorrow. Good morning, class. This is the program that we'll be using to show how we make the Bebot move from one place to another through using programming and the language that we've been using across the last two lessons. So I'm first going to demonstrate this one. So our Bebot is in the top left-hand corner here, and we want to get it to the pot of gold and the rainbow as demonstrated on the worksheet. Now there is a few different ways to do this, but to start we're going to keep it nice and simple. So I'm going to take it straight down, three spaces forward. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to turn right so that our Bebot is facing towards the pot of gold. We're then going to need to move 1, 2 spaces forward. Alrighty, let's see if that gets us to our pot of gold. Perfect. Now that I've shown you how to do it that way, why don't we work as a class to see what other ways we can get the Bebot there? Okay, why don't we turn right to start? And then how many spaces forward will we need to go? 2? Okay, perfect. And then we're going to need to turn what direction to make our Bebot face the pot of gold? Yep, that's right. We're going to have to go left, and then we're going to have to move 1, 2, and 3 spaces forward. Perfect. Let's see if that one works, and then you'll be able to start on your own worksheets. There you go. It's as easy as that.